Hi, how are ya? Hey everyone, so today I am going to be lip swatching all of the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks from his holiday 2018 collection. I bought the bundle off of Beautylish, so I have every shade. The first shade we're going to do is Can't Relate, which is this beautiful nude shade. I have done arm swatches, so I will link that video down below as well. This is initial application of Can't Relate. It is a very, very, very pinky based nude. I thought that initially it would be more of a nude, but it's definitely more of a pink based, and I kind of dig it. Like, I don't have any nude shades like this. And I think it's just bordering too light for me. I think like I can pull it off, and I think definitely, depending on what eye look I'd go with, it could look very, very pretty. The next shade is Jeffree Who, which is similar to Calabasas, but still quite different.
What I'm going to do is I will be posting an arm swatch video of the liquid lipsticks, a very quick lip swatch video of the liquid lipsticks, and in this video I will be doing obviously more in depth.
So this is Jeffree Who, and it is such a gorgeous shade. I'm actually getting really close to passing out, so I need to eat, but I want to finish this video first, hopefully. But yeah, this is a really gorgeous shade. This kind of makes me think of if Calabasas and Doll Parts had a baby, that would be what this would be. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So on the left we have Calabasas, in the middle we have Jeffree Who, and then on the right we have Doll Parts. The next shade we're going to apply is Clout, which is a metallic purple shade. It's like a, I don't know, like a lilac lavender sort of vibe. And just so you know, Jeffree Who does stain the lips. Ooh, that's pretty. These are eye safe, so I can only imagine how this will look like on the eyes, like as a liner. Each application is just gonna get worse and worse. Oh my god. I am in love with this shade. Oh my god. Oh, this is my favorite so far. Clout is, oh my god. This is my favorite so far. I am in love with this shade. It does make your teeth yellow, like, but most colors like this do. I love this. This is so beautiful. This makes me happy. This is a happy shade. The next shade is Scandal, which is a very light pinky purple shade. I suck at explaining those sort of things, but oh, it's kind of like a mauve. Oh, that is, oh my god. Okay, this is my second favorite. Like, do you guys see that? Like, oh my god. Yep. And this one has a sheen to it. Like, I don't know if you guys can even see that. It has a sheen. The next shade that we have is Hi, How Are Ya? And that is iconic. It's a red with sparkle running throughout it. It's nothing like Ho Ho Ho. People thought that it was going to be, but it's not. I can tell you that right now. I used to own Ho Ho Ho. It's like, it's not even like a red. It's like a deep berry red. if that makes sense. My lower lip is getting bigger and bigger with each application. So this application though is not pristine. Yeah, no, this application is this color's cute, like I can't lie, like this color is so pretty. This would be like probably like in my top 5, I assume. It's pretty. It's definitely not red. Like I assumed it would be more red. And if you want to get the glitter particles to show more, you just press your lips together. And it will. The next shade that we have is Karma, which is like this beautiful military green shade. I'm so excited for this. I've seen some lovely ladies wear this and I'm obsessed. So the past shade stained, so let's do this. Oh, she's pigmented. It's like the tiniest bit streaky. Like I feel like this is a shade where you want to apply more than one layer. Yeah. But it's not like terrible or anything. Just something to keep in mind. This application is horrible. It could also be because my lips are like, okay. This is definitely still a favorite though, even though it is a little streaky. We stand, like. Try to show you guys. Like, it's just barely streaky, like, you can hardly notice, but it's definitely a shade you're gonna wanna do 2 layers, but yeah, this is like number 4 best so far. Super, super stoked with this shade.
We got a brand new makeup wipe for this. Let's go. Like, the one good thing is that they're removing very easily, but my poor lips. Got removed okay, actually. I just kind of look a little like Shrek in the mouth, so.
Yeah. Second to last shade we have is You're Still on the Property, which is iconic. Like, I love these titles, like, hell yes. Blue metallic. I think that this is gonna need 2 layers. Oh, okay. As well, but we'll see. Maybe not. Like, hi. Wow. This is gorgeous. I didn't know how I was gonna feel about this. I thought it would be like super dark, but it's not. This application is horrendous. Like, don't at me. Like, this is horrendous, I know. It's pretty and it's not patchy at all. Only needed 1 layer. Final shade we have is Triggered, which is something I say all the time. So I'm hyped. This is gonna be so dark, but let's do this. It's like a plummy black, so let's just do this. She's pigmented. Oh, she's hella pigmented. Hell yeah. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. This is actually probably in my top 10. I mean 5, what? The application wasn't terrible. It wasn't good. Oh. Hi, how are ya? So triggered. Seriously, I am so in love with this shade. Do we stan? Cause oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh hell yes, this is gorgeous. Oh my god. I think this is actually my number 1 shade. What? Yeah, this is my number 1 shade. Holy crap. Like, what? Hell yeah. Okay, I'm so hyped. Okay, I got it calm. That was lip swatches of the entire holiday collection from JEFFREE Star, all the liquid lipsticks. I will swatch Alien Tears lip ammo when I get it. But honestly, I'm obsessed with like all of these shades, especially Triggered. Triggered is definitely my #1. And if you're into these dark colors, definitely go for it because this is seriously pigmented. It's not streaky. It's so gorgeous. I'm honestly so obsessed. And the packaging is just stellar. Like, it is glittery goodness. I really hope he does a liquid lipstick with these sort of glitters in it though, because I would stand that to hell. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this swatch video. If you did, please remember to subscribe, follow my Instagram, Makeup by Tasha XO as always. Link is in the bio, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!